Let's go to key candidates and show our viewers some of the key candidates and then see what's happening. You were talking about Jiten Ram Majhi. Let's show you what's happening in Jiten Ram Majhi's seat. This is in Imamganj in Bihar. The former Chief Minister Jiten Ram Majhi is currently leading. He is up against Uday Narayan Chaudhary of the RJD, Kumari Shobhana Sinha of the LJP. At this moment, Jiten Ram Majhi in the lead. Let's see if I can pick up something from Raghopur, where you currently have Tejaswi Yadav leading. The RJD won in 2015. Before that, this was a JDU seat. Raghopur has Tejaswi Yadav taking on Satish Yadav of the BJP and Rakesh Roshan of the LJP, both trailing in this key contest. Let's pick Love Sinha. Love Sinha is the son of Shatrughan Sinha, contesting on a Congress ticket from Bankipur. In this seat, he's up against Nitin Naveen of the BJP, Pushpam Priya Chaudhary of the Plurals Party, and you've got Love Sinha currently in the lead.
One interesting constituency that you may want to look at the moment is the constituency of Mukesh Saini. Now, Mukesh Saini, Simri Bakhtiarpur, from the VIP party, the Vikashsheel Insan party, self-styled son of Malla. You know, these are the kind of EBC.
Overrated.
BJP gave him 11 seats, out of which many, I was told, are actually BJP candidates who are contesting on with Mukesh Saini.
No, sold off.
So, yeah, so you see,
Javed.
but these are important because if you start losing EBC seats, then it means clearly that even that key vote, that 25% decisive vote is moving towards the RJD alliance. Yes, Javed.
The point I'm making is that if these numbers hold, then it clearly indicates that traditional social combinations are breaking, and it also shows that there is this could probably be a wave election, and that's why the Mahagathbandhan is getting these numbers. So this theory of social combination and all, I think we should put it to rest, and we need to correct the ticker. It says RJD 46, it's Mahagathbandhan 46.
It's RJD plus.
RJD plus.
It's RJD plus,
Rahul.
Okay.
It's RJD plus.
No,
you know, this is the point.
It's a bit confusing to the viewer. It says NDA 23 and RJD plus. If it's MGB, it will be much easier. I'm getting WhatsApp messages saying that.
No, that's I don't agree with those WhatsApp
You may not
messages.
agree. I'm just pointing out. You're agreeing, disagreeing.
This is the way we are doing it.
Can I just add here one small thing to the RJD? Anand Singh of Mokama is a big Bhumihar figure, a caste that has backed both the BJP very strongly and the JDU. And I think the lead towards Anand Singh for the RJD tells you that the erstwhile politics that was characterized with Lalu Yadav, where he wanted to exclude these castes, I think that politics is also in the decline. I would say let's not look at it only as an MY election.
Absolutely.
I think it is a pan-caste election. Also, some of the forwards, apart from the EBCs, putting their eggs in the RJD basket, a new thing in Bihar's electoral landscape.
Can you look at your LJP factor? Because as of now, the LJP has only one lead. But my sense is that the LJP will end up damaging the JDU in particular in many more seats. As of now, they're just leading in one seat.
The post poll says there are 42 such seats where the presence of the LJP candidate decided who won or lost. That's a lot.
But the remarkable rise is in the Congress. The Congress is already leading in 16 seats. You know, the Congress could now, with these kind of numbers, at the moment, end up with 30 plus seats. So their strike rate, Rahul, which will be interesting to watch, could well cross 50%. If the Congress crosses 50% and the JDU crosses, RJD crosses 60%, then you've got a landslide. You know, because the 70 seats which the Congress was contesting was seen by some as a potential weak link. And Congress leaders were openly saying, "Hame aise seatein di gayi hai which we've not won in the last 40 years. How are we going to win and regain these seats?"
So Rajdeep is saying, seen by some. You yourself were saying Congress will be the weak link. Now he's done a complete somersault.
I am
the panditry has changed as the circumstances have changed.
In a wave election, Rahul, there are no weak links. However, before the election, the general sense was, has the Congress been given too many seats?
Okay, so we want to show you, if you've just